Hey there, how's it going? In the last couple years, I've participated in over 20 game jams. I've won, lost, failed to complete, and become a judge. So I guess you could say I really like the format. For me, jams are my favorite way to make a small experience for someone else to enjoy, without spending a ton of time on the project. Over the last several months, I've been asked quite a bit, when am I going to host a game jam? I usually said I wasn't, because putting on a game jam is quite a lot of work, and I've already got too much going on with game design, YouTube, streaming, and more. But the idea of putting on my own game jam just sounded really appealing, and I couldn't get it out of my head. Over the last 2 years, I've done a lot of game jams with the 8-Bits to Infinity community, and I've been a judge for their jams for a while now. They're a great community that runs regular game jams, and they have an emphasis on giving feedback to help designers grow in their abilities. Taking part in their jams and getting feedback has been a big part of me getting better at making games. Plus, they have a jam format that I just absolutely love. Along with the normal theme that's announced at the start of the jam, there's also a design focus that helps spark ideas. Past focuses have been things like 2-button controls, text only, asymmetrical, puzzle, speedrun, etc. I'm a huge believer that restrictions breed creativity, and this aspect of the 8-bit jams has always made them some of my favorites. So I'm happy to announce that I'm teaming up with 8-Bits to Infinity for what we're calling the VimJam. It will be starting on September 18th and ending on the 25th. A 7-day game jam with the design focus of collectibles. Collectibles can be many things, from coins to party members to cards and more. So in some way, the game will need to allow players to collect something. I feel it's a fairly open restriction to help get the creative juices flowing. I'll be posting a video on this channel on September 18th, announcing the theme that you'll need to pair with this focus. You can use any engine, as long as the submitted game can at least be run in the browser or on Windows. All of the important rules, info, as well as the join button can be found at itch.io/jam/vimjam. Also, to make it easy, there's a link in the description. After the jam, I know at least myself and Mr. Joshua McLean, who runs 8-Bits to Infinity, will be streaming playing games and giving feedback. There will be both a community vote as well as a judge vote for jam winners, and I'm going to be making a video highlighting some of my favorite games as well as the jam winners. But of course, the goal isn't really to win. It's more about making something that other players can enjoy and learning from it. However, I do have a video with tips to do better at game jams if you're interested. So if you like game jams, then I hope to see you there. If you aren't into game jams, then sit tight. There'll be a bunch of fun games for you to play afterwards. Once again, all of the relevant links are down in the description. Thank you all very much for watching, and I hope you're all as excited as I am. I really can't wait to see all the ideas that everyone creates. I'd like to give an extra special thank you to my patrons, especially Abishan, Adam Edwards, David Scott, Nightfall, Liam Sorta, MLK, Nazar Salim, Ragnabro, Scott Hansen, Straight Up Gruntled, and Soapy Gnome. You're all awesome people, and the support really does mean the world to me. You can play any of my games at vimlark.itch.io. Catch me live on Twitch, message me on Twitter, or join the Discord with a lot of other amazing people. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to not miss the theme announcement, and I'll talk with you next time. Have a good one. Later.